My brothers and sisters Igbos, we keep on missing the message. If Fanny Kayode had told Precious, "You are not a beautiful woman," I wouldn't even have commented. I would have jumped and passed. I would have overlooked whatever everybody was saying, because that would have been a message to Precious. But Kayode sent a message to the Igbo people. Anytime a non-Igbo talks about Omenana, he's addressing me or she is addressing me. When Reno Mokri waded into a territory he knew nothing about, Igbo origins, I came out with full force. When the Oni of Ife began to say things that are not based on any kind of reality about Igbo origins, I tackled him. So when this gentleman said that you Igbos don't have hierarchy, he was talking about Omenana. And I have a responsibility to God, to my ancestors, to myself, to my children and my children's children to come in. So Igbo people, stop being obsessed with Precious this, Precious that. What Precious suffered is what your grandchild will suffer, unless you begin to study Omenana. I mean authentic Omenana. The Omenana that produced the Hebrew Bible. Until and unless you begin to study it, your daughter would find herself in a situation similar to what Precious found herself in. So the message from FFK was, and is to the entire Igbos, not to Precious. Thank you.